marijuana is not legal. When you're on probation, you're not allowed to use marijuana. So here are your choices. You could potentially go to jail, the Bexar County Jail, for 1 year. If I were to sentence you to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, you probably wouldn't spend a year there because it's overcrowding. They'll probably give you maybe, I don't know, 2 for 1, maybe 3 for 1. It just really depends on you and your behavior at the Bexar County Jail. If you're a trustee, they'll give you 3 for 1. If you're just in general population, they'll probably give you 2 for 1, which means for every day that you're there, it counts as 3 days or as 2 days. If you're causing trouble, they'll probably give you just 1 day. You understand? And whatever time you spent in jail before, legally, you're entitled to credit for that. So you'll receive credit for that. So you have choices to make. And here are your choices. You can use marijuana. A motion to revoke is going to be filed. The state is going to allege that you use marijuana as a part of the conditions. Once they present their evidence, either I'm going to find it true or not true. If I find it true, then you're looking at 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. So you have choices to make. Your choices are, is the use of marijuana worth potentially looking at 1 year in the Bexar County Jail? If the answer is yes, then you need to just cut out the middleman, right? And just say, Judge, just send me to jail. Just file the MTR. I don't want to do this anymore. And I just rather do my time and be done with it. And then when you smoke marijuana, it's still illegal. And if somebody ends up catching you before you use, it's going to be a possession of marijuana. So those are your choices. So this is me having a conversation with you about your bad choices. You understand? So why do you keep using marijuana?
It was a poor choice on my part. Just, I don't want to sit here and make excuses just like everybody else. I go through struggles. I have my everyday problem. I'm beating myself up the most about this myself. I was in the middle of IOP and I really did want to finish it.
Mm-hmm. So let me ask you this. When's the last time you used marijuana?
About 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago. All right. And that's truly the last time you used? All right. You're not allowed to use marijuana from here on out. You understand? So what's going to end up happening is you're going to go back to IOP and probation is going to test you for levels. And those levels need to be going down. If those levels rise, I'm going to tell them just file a motion to revoke. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is it you need from the court so that you can be successful? I mean, what's causing, you have to look internally inside yourself and ask yourself,